Hi, I'm Raymond from Blueprint Company, Doha based, Qatar. So with this CNC machine, like almost 8 years we are using this machine now. CNC machine is giving us more, it makes our work more faster, and it saves a lot of time and money cost, because also it's a big help for us when we are fabricating our furnitures and other items. For example, when we are fabricating our counters, cabinets, with regards to the drawings, because sometimes clients ask us we need to follow the drawing, and so we are using the CNC machine to accurate cutting and good template for building and fabricating the furnitures. Also, CNC is giving us more like 100% sure with regards to our work, because unlike other company, they don't have CNC machine. Sometimes their work is not accurate, so it will show the level is not aligned, not level. So with the CNC, when we are building, especially the templates, we have the flooring, we can build easily. So like big help is the CNC. So because of this CNC machine, also we take another machine for the signage, because before we don't have the CNC for signage, and then it's very cost and then very expensive for us when we are taking it from outside. So our company, my boss, especially my manager, Sato, decided to buy this machine to help us to like cost efficient, also work more faster, and like when we are building the signage, also accurate, same as the CNC for the wood for furniture.